package came today, and this is what I think it is. Will be featured in our next video with lights. So I'm going to open this up. Try not to cut myself first. This is from Krause and Denali joint venture. I guess these are the mounts for it. Very neatly packed. More mounts, very neatly packed. And the main thing, a D14, a set of D14s.
D14 Destroyers, right?
Yep, D14 Destroyers. A set of DL4s.
Okay.
And a set of DL2s. And of course, some wiring. In the last video, we did a demonstration of this bike, Minnie, with the regular lights, the D7 Pros, the DMs. Okay, now I have installed the full deck by Krause and Denali. These are the D14 Destroyers, DL4s, and DL2s. The DL2s are used as flashers, or blinkers, I mean. The DL4s are just your regular running lights, and the D14 Destroyers are your headlights. Okay, this D14, Denali full deck kit made by Krause, cost about $2,100 from Denali, but they always run discounts, so you want to look for a discount or call Denali and ask them for a discount code. I did mine on pre-order, so I probably got mine about a 20% discount, which was pretty good, but I had to wait 2 months to get it because I did it on pre-order. But right now they do have them in stock. It comes, like I said, it comes with the DL4, the DL2, and the D14 Destroyers. It probably took me longer to put the kit together than it did to install it. It's plug and play. The only thing different you have to do, which I did, I took my seat and my tank off, because there are 2 wires you have to run to the battery because of it draws a couple more amps than what the normal headlight would, but it's well worth it as far as I'm concerned.
Okay.
In the next part of this video, we'll wait till it gets dark out and we'll show a demonstration of these lights at night. Okay, we're going to be doing a testing of the full deck by Krause in conjunction with Denali. I have the full deck system on the 2025 RoadGlide, and I also have Denali D7 Pros on here. So right now I'm backing out of the driveway. It's completely dark right now. I don't have anything turned on. You can see the bike is off, and just give you a good idea of what the street looks like down that way. You see it's dark. So now I'm going to turn the lights on. Okay, that's just the D14s by themselves, no other lights. Okay, so I'm going to just kind of pull up here a little bit and stand still so you get a static view. That's D14 low beam, no other lights on. That's D14 high beam, no other lights on. Okay, now this is D14 with the D7 Pros on driving lights on low beam, no other lights on. That's high beam 100% with the D7 Pros with the high beams on. Before the D Pros, when they're on regular driving light, they're at 30%. Okay, back down. Now we're at regular low beam with the D14s. Low beam with D7 Pro fog lights on. You don't notice much of a difference. There's a fill in. Okay, high beam with D14 on and with the D7 Pro fog lights on. Okay, low beam with the D7 Pro fog lights and the D14s. low beam with the D14s and the D7 Pros, both fog and driving. And that's high beam with everything on. Now I'm going to drive around a little bit with the high beam, then I'll go back to low beam. Now I got everything on right now. As you can see, it's quite bright. Okay, that's everything. Now I'm going to go to low beam with everything. Got the driving and the fog lights on low beam. The driving and fog lights are both at about 30%. Okay, let me go up here and do a U-turn. Okay. Now this is just the D14s alone on low beam. That's the D14s low on high beam, low beam, D14 with D7 Pro low beam, driving lights, D14 with D7 Pro high beam, and driving lights. Back to low beam. D14 with D7 Pro low beam fog lights. D14 with D7 Pro fog lights high beam. Go back to low beam. Okay. D14s on low beam. D14s with D7 Pros on low beam. D7 Pros high beam, that's 100%. D7 Pros with fog lights and D14s, everything on high beam. Okay. Now back to low beam with the driving and fog lights on. Low beam with just the D14s. This is the regular driving lights right here. This is what I ride with, just normal. I might mention also I have a pair of D1s that are yellow beams they're on, but you can't even see them. They're completely washed out, but if you're in front of me, you'll be able to see them.